here is a Ford F-150 with a 4.6 liter in there, and it's a very squeaky serpentine belt. It's recommended before you do any servicing that you take and disconnect the battery cable. Okay, what I'm going to do today is replace the belt tensioner on this Ford F-150. This one right here, the belt tensioner has a little bit of a square thing to put your 1/2-inch drive belt tensioner tool. It's best that you use one of those because it's very long and you get more leverage with that. So I have the tool here and it's got that 1/2 inch on there. Go ahead and lock that in there. You have that tool locked in there. You want to take a photograph of the belt routing, and if not, at the very least, write down, make a little diagram. Then you want to push clockwise and remove the belt. This truck happens to have a decal with the belt diagram on here. Okay, this tensioner here has 3 10mm bolts that we're going to go ahead and remove. I did pick up a used belt tensioner here. This one will fit on there. This truck has over 300,000 miles on it, so we'll just go and put a used one on there. So we'll remove those 3 bolts and swap that out. Yeah, I took those 3 bolts out, and now I'm going to put the new unit in. Okay, hopefully this is a better angle here. I will go ahead, I got the tool in there to put the take the tension off. Again, I'll rotate it clockwise, grab the belt, and try to get it over the alternator pulley there. Hey, sorry about my camera tipping over there. I did get the belt on there. Fortunately, I wasn't able to record that. And now I'll just take our little tool out of the tensioner there. Success.